This video is sponsored by the brand Wellmax.
So I got the foldable crate from Wellmax. In this video, I'm going to go over some of the top questions I was seeing, answer those for you, and hopefully help you out with your purchase. Question I was seeing is, what's the assembly time like? How long does this take to get set up? Then also put back down so you can put it into storage if you need to unfold it. And the third question I was seeing is the handle on it adjustable, so it'll work for people that are different heights. So let's get into the first question. What's the assembly time like? Absolutely no assembly. It's going to come right out of the box looking like this. So as soon as it arrives, you can take it out and start using it, which is super nice. And honestly, I think a huge perk for anything that you're going to receive in the mail. And now for the second thing is, how easy is it to set up? So it cannot be easier. So all you got to do is click the button here, and that's going to bring your wheels up. Now it's ready to roll. Flip it over. Now at this point, if you do want to use it as a dolly, all you got to do is on the bottom here, there's going to be two little flaps. You unhook, take your box off. At this point, you now have a dolly that can hold up to like 130 pounds. So it's going to work out really awesome. But now let's say we don't want to do that. We want to use it as a storage box for documents or hauling things to the beach or whatever you want. All you got to do is lock these into place. I'm going to take the cover off. Now we can pull this up once we unlock the sides, just like that. Pull it up outside. Boom, it is now ready to use. However you want to do it. It's a full storage box that locks. It's going to protect anything. It's waterproof. It's going to be good to go. Now for the final question, is the handle adjustable? So yeah, obviously, the button here, move it up and down, whatever height you want. It'll work out for you. So if you're short, it'll work. If you're tall, it'll work. So overall, this thing is easy to use. I love that there's absolutely no assembly to it. It does its job exactly as it should. So I give it 2 thumbs up.